Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. So x simplified by x. The integration of x where we have the formula in here. So for this one, we will have about x to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. About number 2, this is about the constant. So we have 2x. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over x, and we put about c. This one we have number 3. This one we have number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.